everybody, Danny here. Well, today we got a pretty good little task. We're going to lift some color and we're going to put some color back down on our painting. So let's head over to easel and get that done. I'll meet you there. And here we go, here we go, here we go. We're going to put a blast of sunlight right here. So I've got my tissue and I've got clear water on it. And what I'm doing is I'm going in here and I'm lifting paint. Now, this is where you better have a good quality paper, because if you don't, that paper will come apart, okay? But I've got a good quality paper. This is Amazon Choice paper, works just fine. Okay, now that we've lifted that color, okay, I'm going to come in with a really pretty yellow, and we're just going to pop that yellow. Look at there, you see that? You see how that yellow just comes to life? That's what we wanted, right in that area. Now we've got some real bright sunlight in there. And just remember, you need a good quality paper if this is going to work. Now, tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to be working on some water down in here, okay? And we'll pull this whole painting together starting tomorrow, and we just might get it finished. But for today, we've accomplished our task. We've got some sunlight in it, okay? So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, comment for goodness sakes, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. All righty, that wasn't too bad now, was it? Tomorrow we're going to put some water in, and we're pretty much going to call this lesson series done. So be with me tomorrow, and remember in the meantime that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.